Hello students, as I mentioned in the previous video, we'll do some numericals in this video. So under H, the first numerical is find the volume of a stone in centimeter cube if the water level rises from 18 ml to 29 ml on immersing it in water. So we are immersing a substance into water and water level rises in a measuring cylinder from 18 milliliter to 29 milliliter, and you need to find out the volume of the substance. You all already know that the substance will displace the equal volume of water of its own. So the figure will look something like this. When you immerse the substance inside water, the level rises from 18 ml to 29 ml. So the volume of the substance will be 29 minus 18 is equal to 11 ml. So this will be equal to 11 ml. And as you know, 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So the volume of the substance, that means of the stone, in centimeter cube will be 11 centimeter cube. So next, let's proceed to the next one. The next one is mass of lead is 232 gram and its volume is 20 centimeter cube. Find the density of lead in kg per meter cube. So the mass of the substance is the mass of the substance is 232 gram and volume is equal to 20, sorry for this terrible handwriting, 20 centimeter cube. And first we have to find out the density in gram per centimeter cube. So we know that density is equal to mass divided by volume. So 232 divided by 20, just reduce it. 2 ones are 2, then again 2 ones are 2, 116 divided by 10, so it will be 11.6, 11.6 in gram per centimeter cube. Now we have to convert it into kg per meter cube, and we know that 1 gram per cc is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, or kg, meter to the power minus 3. So 11.6 gram per cc will be equal to 11.6 multiplied by 1000 kg per meter cube, and it will make the density 11600 kg per meter cube. Okay. Number 3 is a substance having a density of 0.8 gram per centimeter cube, has a mass of 64 gram. What is its volume? So the density is given as 0.8 gram per centimeter cube, and the mass is given as 64 gram. So we have to find out the volume. Same formula, density is equal to mass divided by volume. So density is equal to mass by volume, so volume will be equal to mass divided by density. Volume is equal to mass divided by density, that is 64 divided by 0.8 that will make it, sorry to write it over here, 80, and the unit will be centimeter cube. Okay, now the last and the final one is, that is number 4. The density of zinc is 5.1 gram per cc. Density is given as 5.1 gram per cc, and we have to find the mass of the zinc of volume 86 centimeter cube. So density and volume is given, we have to find out the mass. In the same formula, density is equal to mass by volume. So mass will be equal to density multiplied by volume. So mass of zinc having volume 86 centimeter cube will be 86 multiplied by 5.1, and since the unit is given gram here, so unit will be gram, and that will be equal to 438.6 gram. Okay, so these 4 numericals you have in your exercise or the evaluation section, and in the solved numericals you will find the similar numericals. So one that I would like to mention about the solved numerical, that is on page number 11 most probably, and the sum is: a measuring cylinder contains 40 ml of water. When a stone of mass 50 gram is lowered into the measuring cylinder, the water level rises to 60 ml. So calculate the density of the stone. So according to the problem, when the stone of mass 50 gram is lowered into the measuring cylinder, the water level rises from 40 ml to 60 ml, and the mass of the stone is 50 gram. So we have to find out the density of the stone, and to find out the density we need mass of the substance that is already been given, and we need to find out the volume. So just like the first numerical, the stone will displace the equal volume of water of its own. So the volume of the stone will be 60 minus 40 ml, that is equal to 20 ml. So we have volume, we have mass. Now we need to find out the density then, and you already know that 20 ml will be equal to 20 centimeter cube. 20 centimeter cube. So density will be equal to mass divided by volume, that is 50 divided by 20, that will be equal to 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter or gram per cc. You don't have any numericals on speed in the evaluation section, but you have two solved numericals. The first one is calculate the speed of a car which travels 120 km in 2 hours. 120 km in 2 hours. So as you know the formula, that is speed equal to distance by time, just divide the distance by time, that is 120 divided by 2, that makes it 60 km per hour. That is, the speed of the car is 60 km per hour. And in the next solved numerical, a train takes 4 hours to travel from Delhi to Chandigarh. Assuming that the train is moving with a uniform speed of 80 km per hour, calculate the distance between Delhi and Chandigarh. So time has been given here. The time required to reach from Delhi to Chandigarh is 4 hours, and the speed is 80 km per hour. we have to find out the distance between the places. As you know the formula, that is speed equal to distance by time. So distance will be equal to speed into time. Just multiply the both and you will get 4 multiplied by 80, that makes it 320, and the unit is kilometer here. So the distance between Delhi to Chandigarh is 320 kilometer. So that's all for this video. I'd recommend to solve the entire evaluation section, and if you got stuck in any question, and you can use the comment section below, and in the next video we'll begin motion. Till then, have a good time.